Ready to turn that Gamestop gift card into awesome Nintendo Switch games? Let's dive in. First, power on your Nintendo Switch and make sure you're connected to the internet and navigate to the Nintendo eShop icon on the home screen. It's that little shopping bag icon at the bottom. Tap it to open the eShop. Once the eShop loads, you'll see the main menu. Look for your profile icon in the top right corner of the screen. It probably has your Me or Nintendo account picture on it. Select your profile to access your account information. On the account information screen, scroll down until you find the Add Funds option. Select Add Funds. Here, you'll see several options for adding funds. We're going to use a Nintendo eShop card, which is what your Gamestop gift card essentially becomes once you redeem it. Select Redeem a Nintendo eShop card. Now, carefully scratch off the silver foil on the back of your Gamestop gift card to reveal the 16-digit code. Enter this code exactly as it appears, paying close attention to capitalization and any potentially confusing numbers or letters. Double-check that you've entered it correctly, and then press it to confirm. If the code is valid, a confirmation message will appear showing that the funds have been successfully added to your Nintendo account balance. Fantastic. Select OK. Now you're ready to shop. Browse the eShop for the games you want, and when you find one, select it. Proceed to the purchase screen, and you'll see your Nintendo account balance available to use. Choose Purchase and confirm the transaction to download your new game. Enjoy.